In this video, I will show you how enrichment in Folk helps you create more complete and powerful contact profiles. Our goal is for Folk to be the control tower for all your business relationships, a place where you always have the right data to move your business forward. Whether it's having an email address for your first outreach or a phone number for follow-up call, enrichments help you fill the gaps when that information is missing. So what is data enrichment? With one-click data enrichment, Folk automatically adds valuable data to your people records. The fields that can be enriched include email, phone number, company name, job title, and URLs. When you click Enrich, Folk identifies the data elements that can be updated and searches for the missing information. Folk uses a waterfall enrichment process powered by trusted providers such as Apollo.io, Clearbit, Dropcontact, People Data Labs, Datagma, and Prospeo. These tools connect Folk to multiple verified data sources, allowing us to aggregate the most accurate information and deliver the best possible enrichment results. And don't worry, none of those providers exploit or resell your data. All information is securely retrieved and added directly to your contacts in Folk. Let's look how to use enrichment in Folk. To enrich a few contacts, open a group, select them using the checkboxes, and click Enrich. To enrich everyone in a group, select Enrich All, and this will work for up to 500 contacts at the time. Once complete, any newly added data will appear with the sparkle icon on the right-hand side. The enrichment process usually takes just a few minutes, and when it's done, you will see a notification with the number of successfully enriched contacts. New data will be added automatically, and the sparkle icon will help you spot which field were enriched. And by the way, if you like to enrich company data, you can use the Research Assistant feature instead. It's covered in another video. You can also enrich contacts directly from the Folk browser extension. From a LinkedIn profile or another social media page, select Add to Folk, choose a group, and then click Enrich in the extension. When enrichment is successful, the updated fields will appear filled out, sometimes with multiple data points, such as several companies, job titles, or emails. For the best results, make sure your contacts already have a mix of people and company data. For example, having first name, last name, and company URL or LinkedIn URL gives the enrichment process more context to find accurate results. However, if you only include a name, the outcome might be limited. And that's it. Now you know how to use data enrichment in Folk to turn basic contact list into detailed, actionable profiles.